He's the mobile PC doctor.
Hello, this is Paul from Mobile PC Doctor, and in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to customize the Windows 10 start menu. Now this menu might be too much for you. You might not get along with it. You might be used to the older Windows 7 start menu, which was I think a better start menu, but there's no way in Windows 10 you can do that. So what you need to do is install a program. Now there's a few programs out there which will give you different start menus, but we're going to download a free one. So what you do is type in classic shell and Windows 10, we'll go for that, and then you should get classicshell.net. so be careful not to go to any others. classicshell.net, click on that link and we're going to click the download now. Okay, now it's asking me where do I want to save the file, so I want to choose the desktop. That's the file name, and I want to click save. So down in the left hand corner, if you're using Google Chrome, it shows you the progress of the start menu. So you can actually click here to start the download, or to install the download, but we're going to go back to the desktop and there's the file there. So we're going to install this classic shell by double clicking, and then we're going to click next. We're going to accept the terms and conditions, and we're going to click next. We're going to click next, and we're going to click install. Windows has popped up user account control, and it's asking permission to install classic shell, so I'm going to click yes. That might not appear on the video. So now that it's finished installing, because it's only a small program, I'm going to untick view readme file, because we don't want to see that, and I click finish. So now when I click on the start menu, this pops up. Now it's asking you to choose what style do you want. Do you want the classic style? Do you want a classic with 2 columns? Or do you want a Windows 7 style? So I'm going to go for the Windows 7 style, which is by default, and I'm going to click OK. So now if I click the start menu, we now have this new start menu. If we want to go back to the Windows 10 start menu, click up here, start menu Windows. This takes you back to the traditional Windows 10. If you click it again, it takes you back. So by default now, this is the menu that will appear every time you click on the start menu. This gives you access to documents, pictures, music, any recent files you've had open, access to this PC, which is this, showing you access to your hard drives and folders, and control panel. You can choose which, what you want to access. PC settings, devices and printers, and so on and so forth. All programs. This is very similar to what you had in Windows 7. So a lot of people like this and they feel very comfortable with this start menu. So that's a short video just to show you how to switch to the Windows Start. If at any time you want to go back to the Windows 10 permanently, you simply would go to Control Panel and Programs and Features, and then you'd be looking for Classic Shell. There it is there, and you would just right click on that and click uninstall, and it says, do you want to uninstall the Classic Shell? For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go through with this, so I'm going to click yes. So I'm going to click OK. User account controls popped up on my screen. You won't see it in the video, but it's just asking for permission, so I'm going to click yes. And there it is, it's gone. So now if I close the programs and click on the start menu, we're now back to Windows 10. Typically what you should do is actually then restart your computer just to clear out any old files to do with the start menu. But that's typically how to get hold of the Classic Shell, and how to install it, and then how to uninstall it. Until the next time.